Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a renal mass and a uterine fibroids. You can see the kidney, left kidney, and a mass is seen, semi-solid to solid in consistency, round to oval in shape. In the central portion of the left kidney, near the interior wall, this is the mass. A renal mass or tumor is an abnormal growth in the kidney. Some renal masses are benign and some are malignant. 1 in 4 renal mass is benign. Kidney cancer is caused by when DNA in the cells in one or both of the kidneys mutate, which may lead to uncontrolled cell division and growth. While the exact cause of person's kidney cancer may not be known, certain risk factors are strongly linked to this disease, including smoking, tobacco, and obesity. You can see significant blood flow is seen in the renal mass. A mass or lump in the abdomen, side, or back can also be a sign of kidney cancer. It can feel like a hard, thickening, or bulging bump under the skin. About 45% of people with RRC have an abdominal mass, but kidney lumps are hard to feel, especially in the early stages. Now, renal cell cancer, also called renal adenocarcinoma or hypernephropathy, can often be cured if it is diagnosed and treated when still localized to the kidney and to the immediate surrounding tissue. The probability of cure is directly related to the stage of the or the degree of the tumor dissemination. Now you are going to see the other finding in this patient, the uterine fibroid. Now you can see this is uterus, this is cervix, and this is urinary bladder, and no mass is visible in this position, but by the art of proper handling you can focus the interior wall fibroids near the cervix in the proximal portion of the uterus. The uterine fibroids most often appear on ultrasound as concentric solid hypoechoic masses. This appearance results from the prevailing muscle which is observed at histological examination. These solid masses absorb sound waves and therefore cause a variable amount of acoustic shadowing. Now you can see this is the mass. The mass lies in the proximal portion of the uterus, just adjacent to the interior wall and cervix. Now many fibroids contain changes in genes that differ from those in normal uterine muscle cells. Estrogen and progesterone, two hormones that stimulate development of the uterine lining during each menstrual cycle in preparation for pregnancy, appear to promote the growth of fibroids. You can see the blood flow inside the uterine mass fibroid. Significant blood flow is seen. Fibroids contain more estrogen and progesterone receptors than normal uterine muscle cell do. Uterine fibroids are non-cancerous growths of the uterus that often appear during childbearing age. Fibroids range in size from seedlings undetectable by the human eye to bulky masses that can distort and enlarge the uterus. Fibroids may be single or multiple ones. In this case, there is a single fibroid. Uterine fibroids are generally harmless and often go away on their own when symptoms occur. However, untreated fibroid can interfere with person's quality of life and may lead to complications such as anemia, as menorrhagia is also caused by some of the fibroids. Homogeneous hyperechogenic masses in the uterine cavity on ultrasound are highly suggestive of endometrial polyps, but the myometrial echogenicity of uterine fibroids may vary, and hypoechogenic, isoechogenic, hyperechogenic are mixed, which depend on the size and nature of the fibroid. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.